Hi, my name is Kimberly Mapletoft. I'm the Director of Silent Unity and Daily Word. We're based here at Taplow near Maidenhead in Berkshire. And we are delighted to say that we have 2 in-person live events coming up in the next 6 weeks or so that we want to remind you about if you've not seen this already on our website. We have Celebration Day, which is a Unity in the UK event, which is where all the leaders of Unity from all the groups around the country come together and share ideas and thoughts and experiences. And this year our event is Saturday, the 31st of July. It's from 2 to 4:30. You can join on Zoom and find us the link on the website. You can join us in our normal way, but you can also join us in person. The event is being held at Unity London. Obviously, places will be a bit restricted. We can only have up to 30 people there as it stands at the moment. But we would be delighted to see you there in person, to welcome you in person as we share an afternoon of celebration and song. The theme is, it's a new world, it's a new day. We are unlocking our potential. So you are warmly invited to that Unity Leadership in the UK event. And we also have our first retreat since 2019 when we can actually meet together in person. This is at Holland House in Pershore. We've had more demand than we've had rooms, so we've had to slightly change the dates. Instead of Friday to Sunday, it's now Saturday to Monday. The dates are the 7th to the 9th of August. You will find all the details on the website, but please call the office if you're interested. We have got more rooms. We are so looking forward to being in person together. There's nothing quite like it. Zoom has been amazing through lockdown, but to get together in person, well, I invite you to join us and experience it for yourself. So, 2 events coming up. We look forward to seeing you in person. Maybe not hugging, we'll see, but in person and also online. So bless you for sharing, for showing up and taking part as you do. Thank you.